Welcome to my channel. How does a printer work? Simple 2-minute explanation. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Start by turning on the printer. It performs a quick self-check to make sure all internal parts are working properly before it is ready to print. Step 2. Send the print command. Open your document or photo on your computer or phone and click print. The device sends the print job to the printer through Wi-Fi, USB, or Ethernet. Step 3. Printer receives the data. The printer receives the file and processes it. It converts your document into instructions that tell the printer exactly where to place ink or toner. Step 4. Paper is picked up. A small rubber roller pulls one sheet of paper from the paper tray and moves it smoothly into the printer. Step 5. Print head or toner starts working. Inkjet printer. The print head sprays thousands of tiny ink droplets onto the paper. Laser printer. A laser creates an image on a drum, and toner powder sticks to that image. Step 6. The image is created. The printer carefully places ink or toner line by line, building text, graphics, and photos with high precision. Step 7. Ink or toner is fixed to the paper. Inkjet. The ink dries naturally or with gentle heat. Laser. Heated rollers, called the fusor, melt the toner permanently onto the paper. Step 8. Paper moves out. Once printing is complete, rollers push the finished page out to the output tray. Step 9. The printer checks for more jobs. After finishing one page, the printer looks for additional print jobs. If there are more, it continues printing automatically. Step 10. Ready for the next print. When all jobs are complete, the printer returns to standby mode, ready to print the next document whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.